Get ready to earn $170 a day with these apps. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 legit passive income apps that can help you achieve just that. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll be well on your way to building your passive income streams. First app, Pawn app. First, you have to search for the Pawns app, which you can use to sign up. The Pawns app has over 4.4-star ratings on Trustpilot from almost 3,000 real users around the world, showing that it is one of the most legit and best online earning apps out there. I have tested the Pawns app myself and withdrawn over $57 to my PayPal account, so you can trust this website. The Pawns app is known for earning extra income online, where you can earn passive income by sharing your unused internet data. The good thing is that you can get paid in many different payment methods, such as PayPal, Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, or various gift cards like Amazon or Google Play, along with 70+ other gift card options. People from different countries around the world are withdrawing their earnings from the Pawns app. It is available in almost all countries, so you can be from anywhere and still earn money. Once you log into your Pawns app account, you will see a dashboard. You only need to earn $5 to take your first withdrawal from Pawns, which is easy to achieve in just one day if you follow the steps shown in this video, so stay tuned. There are 2 main ways to earn money on the Pawns app: completing paid surveys and sharing your internet data. Starting with paid surveys, which you can find from the left menu, you'll be taken to a page with different surveys. By completing 10 to 20-minute surveys, you can earn anywhere from a few cents up to $3 or even $5 per survey. You get paid for sharing your opinions on various topics like fashion, technology, the car industry, and more. Your earnings depend on factors such as your country, device, family income, and other details. The more developed your country, the more money you will earn. Completing paid surveys is one of the fastest ways to earn money on Pawns. The second earning method is sharing your internet data or bandwidth. For this, go back to the homepage, and you will see that the Pawns app is available on any device that runs Windows, Google Play, Android, iOS, macOS, or Linux. Whether you use a computer or smartphone, you can install the app and earn some extra income by sharing your unused internet data. To start, simply choose your device, download the Pawns app, and start sharing your internet data. You can earn anywhere from a few cents up to $35 or $70 per month in passive income. An average user earns over $12 daily on Pawns. The platform has over 4 million users and has paid over $3.8 million to users in 2023. The Pawns app is one of the best legit online earning apps, and you can earn anywhere from $100 to $160 a month. If you want to earn more, you can click on the game section from the left menu, where you can find a ton of apps and play to earn games. You can get paid anywhere from a few cents to $100 per game, and they offer gamification features like spinning wheel quests to challenge yourself and earn more money. Pawns also has a weekly leaderboard where people receive money every week. The highest earner gets $150, the second gets $100, and the third gets $50. The app is 100% safe and secure, as all traffic is encrypted, and it doesn't access your personal data. Second app, Macadam app. Now the second passive income app on our list is the Macadam app. The URL is Macadam app. Macadam app is an app that pays you to walk, so every step will earn you money and passive income. You can earn euros every time you walk around town during your morning walk, or even from your bedroom to the kitchen. Once you install the Macadam app, every few steps will earn you coins that you can later convert into real money. Macadam is available in almost all countries, so no matter where you are, you can earn money just by walking to your favorite places. After downloading the app and registering, just start walking, and the coins will show up in your account. You can also donate your earnings to charity, or deposit them into your bank account once you have enough coins. The app is available on Android and iOS, and you can install it by visiting Macadam app, selecting your device, and downloading it. Third app, Repocket.com. The third app on our list is the Repocket app, available at Repocket.com. The Repocket app also allows you to get paid for sharing your unused internet data. It has over 4.2-star ratings on Trustpilot, and over 1 million users earn passive income by sharing their internet data. Once you register, you can connect your devices, including mobile and Windows, to start sharing internet data and earning money. The more devices you connect, the more you earn. Once you reach the minimum payout threshold, you can withdraw your earnings through various methods, including PayPal and Wise Transfer. The Repo App is available in almost all countries, and you can also earn extra money by completing surveys and downloading apps. Fourth app, Winwalk App. The fourth passive income app is the Winwalk App. As the name suggests, Winwalk pays you to walk, jog, or run. It's a free passive income app that uses your phone's built-in pedometer to track your activities. You'll earn 1 coin for every 100 steps you take, with a maximum of 100 coins per day, equivalent to 10,000 steps. You only need to earn $10 to take your first withdrawal. Winwalk is available for Android devices, and you can also complete other offers like downloading apps, playing games, and watching videos to earn extra income. The fifth app, Media Rewards. The fifth passive income app on our list is Media Rewards, found at MediaRewards.com. Media Rewards pays you for watching TV, YouTube, and other social media sites. You can earn money while watching your favorite shows, movies, and creators. The app tracks the ads and videos you watch and occasionally sends surveys that pay you for your feedback. Media Rewards is available on Android and iOS, and once you install and register, the app runs in the background while you continue using your device. The app collects data on the media you consume, and based on that, you earn money. So there you have it, 5 legit passive income apps that can help you earn over $170 a day. From the Pawns app, where you can get paid for sharing unused internet data and completing surveys, to the Macadam app that rewards you for every step you take, everyone can earn. Don't forget Repo, which also pays for sharing your internet, and Winwalk, where you earn coins just by walking. And lastly, Media Rewards lets you earn money while watching your favorite shows and videos. Give these apps a try, and you might be surprised at how much you can earn just by doing what you already do. I'd love to hear from you. What's your favorite way to earn passive income, and have you tried any of these apps yet? Drop your answers in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more ways to boost your income, be sure to like and subscribe to Profitability Plus for all the latest tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, everyone. Catch you in the next video.